Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Chroma key on Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to simply open your Filmora project. So you can do that by going to the file menu in Filmora, and from here you will find either open project to open your existing project, or you can simply create a new one. So now you will be needing just to add your footage that you want to add or that you want to insert in the timeline. So I'm just going to choose this footage here, or you can simply choose from the stock media, etc. So here I have these downloads, and basically you can choose whatever you want. I have also this one. So now to start like enabling the chroma key, all you will need to do is to simply go to the property panel. So here you will have the property panel that will be showing here, and simply you will be needing just to go to colors. So from here you will find like all these choices, and now all we need to do is to simply go to the video panel or the video menu, and from here we will find the AI tools, and basically here we will find the chroma key. So as you can see, those are some uh, chroma key settings or tutorials that you would like, and this is the selection. You can select any chroma that you want to track, etc. So here I'm just going to choose the chroma key for this color, for example, and then you can offset it, etc. So as you can see, we can just do like that, and you can see that the color is changing, and you can see that you can start like uh, controlling the chromas or colors in your video. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.